Hello, Zulu leaders. My name is Bongani Wilbert Mia. My question is, umbuzo wami kulokhu ngikhuluma namaZulu uthi ukubaluleka kwenu njengabaholi bamaZulu, whether abaholi bebandla, ithi ngiqale ngabo, whether niyabaholi bebandla, whether nizibiza abapostoli noma abaprofethi noma nizibiza onke ama-title la ebandleni, or abaholi bezepolitiki, and then abaholi amakhosi, izinduna, abaholi ngokwengcebo, amaZulu anemali, or amaZulu adumile, the celebrities. Ngicela ukwazi ukuthi ukubaluleka kwenu esizweni samaZulu yini, kungani nikhona? Izinto ezenzeke esizweni samaZulu, and then masuqaphela futhi ukuthi alikho ngisho necebo nohlelo lokwavikela amaZulu, konke lamaZulu adumile eselokhu esihola yonke leminyaka. Amabhunu athi mawayebona ingcindezi ibhekana nawo, abaholi bebandla lamabhunu, abaholi bengcebo, abaholi bezemfundo, abaholi bezepolitiki bahlangana ukwakha ama-civic bodies azovikela ama-interest amabhunu wodwa, whether you call them AfriForum, Solidarity, bakhokhela amaloya bameli ukuze bezovikela ama-interest wabo, whether their interests are racist or whatever, but bazakhela uhlelo lokuvikela isizwe sabo njengamabhunu, not as whites but njengamabhunu. Thina sinabaholi nje bamaZulu abahlela balwela wonke umuntu, zonke izizwe, kodwa behluleka ukulwela ikhaya lakubo. Abazothi besiko uma ngibabuza le mbuzo bezothi bona njengamakholwa abakwazi ukubandlulula, ukulwela ikubo ukubandlulula eBhayibhelini elithe umuntu ohluleka ukondla isihlobo sakhe seduze is worse than an unbeliever. Babizi basezizweni eningi kodwa bahluleka emlazi wakubo ohluphekayo, abafika nje bezoqoqa imali zemnikelo bahambe babuyele baye ema-suburbs. Baningi labaculi begospel basemlazi kodwa umlazi uyabhubha. Alukho uhlelo kodwa abantu banemali bahlele bayithukuse koGoli, New York, Philadelphia, they're all over the world, Australia, the Zulus, but kwaZulu kuyabhujwa. Abelungu ne-ANC ethandwa ama-successful Zulus ngabe iwabenefitile, and most of them were made by this ANC, which is the enemy of the Zulu people. So now i-ANC yabo ihlangene ne-DA yabelungu is purging Zulus. This is an old war. The colonialist white people purged Zulu Amawasha from Johannesburg in 1900, intentionally to block Zulus from economic prosperity, which would be a threat to Western colonialism, because if you've got powerful Zulus economically, then you really have a threat as the Western powers, because economically powerful Zulus will be powerful militarily. So your prerogative, therefore, is to ensure that you limit the success of Zulus, whether you will have the token Zulus, the better Zulus, or the only Zulus in the crowd, nina any successful. You are useless. You are useless. You are useless pigs. You successful Zulus, the Zulu diamonds, like the black diamonds. Enhlola ukuthatha abazalwane benu abangasebenzi abakwazi ukupenda ukuthi banipendele imizi emasababa kunethatha ama-foreigner meniqeda ngizotshela thina ukuthi sibe ne-faith kuNkulunkulu bathakathi ndini iniyaloya akusukukholwa lokho niyaloya ngona niyogibela imishanyelo nje niphume esontweni because you can't be a Christian leaving your fellow Christians unemployed and fetching black foreigners to work for you, but you are coming to Umlazi and Soweto to attend church. Na imoto yakho iyajubalala ishona le emasababa isishiya silambile uyikholwa cha umthakathi uyaloya. You are a witch and a sorcerer. So now we have all of you here. I don't see even an organization that you are forming to salvage the Zulu nation against their clear intent to replace us from our land. Anikho nje nase Addington primary lokubona vele anything nina ingane zelisamalthi well it's a multiracial in a way, but anikho on any issues of the Zulu people. It's not good for your image as well. Nabaholi baka Ezekiel chapter 22 is it verse 21 onwards? Yeah, nilawo baholi. Nisinengiso basically for as far as I'm concerned. I don't like you personally, but ke ngibuza ukuthi wonke lo 100 years amaZulu eblockwa from success. Kwenze njani abaholi bamaZulu behluleka ukuwa saver? Earlier I understood ukuthi amakhosi akwaZulu aqhashazwa. And then kwase kuba neyinhlangano zezepolitiki ezizenza ngazathi zilwela ubukhosi kanti they are watchdogs for the British Empire. Alright, so discover lokho seku late. Okay, we should lo bengalweli ubukhosi bakwaZulu. We should they were always nabo Mandela babo part of this new world order system that is being propagated and pushed down our throats, which at this point in time seriously wants the Zulu nation gone, and it has accelerated the process towards the attainment of that. But it's nabaholi kwaZulu. Akho solidarity enikhandayo, akho ntoni. Qamuka ingane yabantu uJacinta kunina lonke lokhu nikhona uyasilekelela. Benikuphi? Esekhona ke nikuphi? Where are you? Why are successful Zulus so selfish? You're the worst pigs of them all. Successful vendors are placing their vendors in positions they don't qualify for. Purging Zulus. The whole Limpopo purged Zulus from Gauteng. Zulus are blocked. Oh, because you usebeze eGoli. Ungelanga ngokuthi ufundile. Oh, thina sifundile so some school dropout. You don't even know which Zulus have been passing matric far better than the Limpopo people for all years since time began. But uyazibona uhlele enkampanini lapha eGoli nabantu baseLimpopo. Wephela umZulu. Ingqondo yakho ithini? Angithi phela nansi i-tribalism isemehlweni akho. Hawu angani beniyibona nje i-racism yabelungu ukuthi kuplacewa amabhunu noma engekho qualified ukuthi angene kuma position. Ma amavenda neLimpopo enza the same thing. Nithuleleni. How many years have Zulus been blocked from jobs? Sabhalama petition you uthi Obaba uyo submit a petition and then okay ngelanga casuke se Home Affairs because all the lama cubicle abantu abasizayo all of them are vendors. Then he asks in anger Emaponya Mall ukuthi hey the tribalism ela hey Kudlula umZulu oyi-one osebenza lapho uthi hey mina ngithule ngithini Zulu people njengoba kwenziwa i-tribalism ekanje in front of your faces. Kuphendula umZulu waseNatal othela umsebenzi educated eGoli lethu le lathi nake esibhlokhiwe singasebenzi khona, uthi umZulu angithi bafundile nje kusho umZulu. Yeah, the worst scums. Against you people. Kuthi usisi lo bantu lendiwe ncamu umanhandle share iphoyisa le placement ye Limpopo agenda in KZN, so-called police spokesperson, to offset that truth base be place lo wadebe Limpopo ukuze benze thina idom as per the usual, because bathi iZulu amazulu ayizidom abantu base Limpopo shinjalo. Now they do these things, and remember they are joined in these by black foreigners like Zimbabweans and Malawians and them. And behind these people are white liberals. All right. So this is happening, and then amazulu ebandlululo eGoli akho umZulu obhale article to question these things. Mina ngwabhalile ama article. But nina amazulu angaze nowabhala. Sebe ama better Zulu in the crowd sebephoqa ukuthi usisilondiwe umanhandle share uMr Nechiwunda. How so phuthuma wona la mazulu abhala lapha kuma newspaper ukuthi abaholi bamazulu abakhuze i-tribalism eKZN. Oh shoba. When azan by the time in Northwest bethi abafuna amazulu lapha eNorthwest. Manje nje ngabo November zange siwabona ama lecture awama better Zulus ethi we ask Tswana leaders of Northwest to admonish their Tswana people. In all the years of Xhosa tribalism kwakuthulekile, and then uNathi Nhleko usekhuluma ngoba seke fed up because esayaphuma kulo ANC yakhe waba ku MK party khathi ekhuluma the truth that thina we were seeing all along, ukuthi Xhosa people have got an agenda ngaleso sikhathi against Zulu people, and then they okay, let's not delve into it. And then we asked which can etc. as the ANC isolated the Zulu nation as bad people. Samaya amazulu akithi eksekela lokho amazulu abulalana like nobody's business. Kwathiwa la amazulu wenkatha impimpi. Okay, impimpi zama-vendor zona ezazi ama-apartheid police azibulawa ngani, ezamaXhosa zona azibulawa ngani, ezambeSuthu azibulawa ngani, because in PWV area kanti ubani obekesebenzela the so-called apartheid police. Who were the apartheid police? Cyril Ramaphosa and all those people. So why didn't they get killed by their own vendors? By their own ANC vendors? Why amazulu we-ANC up manje elentuzeni athi mina thina sizoprove ukuthi asifani nalabaya. Ayinaku nasevenda naseGiyani bekunama political organization our homeland akhona indaba bona bengabulalananga bengafanga bebulawa i-ANC. Why ANC attacked only the Zulu? Belekelwa amazulu. I mean, I'm fed up. Is this self-hate of the Zulu people? If you hate yourselves as Zulus so much, how about you resign from being Zulus? I'm sure you can resign. Just resign and get out of being Zulus so that you sing along with confused labor, zo shoba, zo gamete, zo banbani who hate us. Go and join nations, be adopted into those nations, take their surnames so that sizobana clarity ukuthi sidila nganda, because you are failing us as the Zulu people. You've got all the resources. You can even do researches to put forth and show ukuthi mangaka amazulu ablockwayo kuma-bursary, emisebenzini, kuma-tender and all those things as a result of the tribalism by ANC nations against the Zulu nation. They've got all the resources to do that. Angeke amabhunu azikhawutela ama-farmers awu-70 per annum abulawayo amabhunu behlule ukukhawunta ama-farmers abantu abamnyama ababulawayo. Every black rural community is a farming community, and in any case, so they are all farmers. So now, where are the statistics being put together by black successful people who've got access to their resources to actually show ukuthi actually black farmers are dying even by far? You allow white people, namazulu nifundile nawo ngama access translate emakhaya, you are supposed to be engaging these conversations because God has enabled you to be prosperous with success. So ninaye nilapha phambili with success, but you are useless and helping us with nothing. But abelungu mase siba challenge ngecase yokuthi awangani nama black farmers ayabulawa. Oh, blacks are dying by far compared to black people, compared to white people. Sebethi ke hayi, let us also factor in the population, the total population, and factor in therefore and calculate the rate of murder of white people versus the rate of murder of black people. All right, so in terms of the rate, then white people seem to be dying faster or to be murdered faster than black people according to their calculation, which we cannot verify because we don't have their information as such. So now kanti nina njawani lapho, why ningaba question abelungu ukuthi kanti which people do you expect to die faster? Because crime targets those who have got more money. Angithi purpose yobugebengu ukuthola imali kanti abana abanemali kakhulu, angithi abelungu, so therefore they will die at a faster rate criminally than blacks who don't have money. Why aren't you engaging those racist whites that you are working for? Useless successful blacks, useless Zulus. Bantu benkosi, mina ngikhathele yini. Amazulu athuka every day. We don't see these articles of yours esenizibhale ezingaka ngosisilondiwe Ncam. Actually benikhona Addington ngiyangavakasha bengithole ithuba lokuba laphaya. Usisilondiwe Ncam was manhandling all police, not just the vendor police. So happened ukuthi the video ngaleso sikhathi ibibhekene naye ekhuluma ngeissue yamakwerekwere ecasulwa umuntu ofuna ukumkhulumisa isiZulu ecasukile ezweni lakubo lakwaZulu, lapho amaZulu ekhisha khona ezikoleni ukuze kufakwe ama-foreigner okwenziwa ANC nama-Indian Muslims of that school and the white liberals of the New World Order agenda. Nikuphike nina ngaleso sikhathi. Better Zulus. Nesicef.